Hi, this is Matt from Matt Hearts Ice Cream, and today we'll be trying the new Blizzard of the Month from Dairy Queen, the M&M Brownie. Now, I have been dreaming about this all afternoon long. I love M&Ms, I love brownies, so I cannot wait to dip in. The mini Blizzard is 390 calories with 14 grams of fat. The small is 670 calories with 25 grams of fat. Now, I've been good all day. I ate a really good breakfast, a really good lunch, a really good dinner, and I am going to indulge in a small. Alright, it is pretty much how I imagined it. It's got a really awesome chunks of brownie that are just, oh man, they're really good. And then of course the M&Ms, those, and they're all cold, and really cold M&Ms kind of like float my boat, so like I've been really dorky about those. And then it's just the Blizzard, which is just a fun treat to have. So I am really stoked on the new Blizzard of the month. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to give the M&M Brownie Blizzard 4 scoops of happiness.